Hi, it's Wendy at the Barrington Library. Today we'll be doing the rainbow walking water experiment. When you pick up your kit, you'll receive 6 clear plastic glasses, 3 containers with yellow, blue, and red food coloring in it, and 6 pieces of paper towel. And at home, you'll just need to get some water for 3 of your cups. I'm going to turn the camera down right now, and I'll show you what we'll be doing. Line your cups up in a circle, and every other cup will have about 2/3 of a cup of water in it. So we're going to pour some in the 3 alternating cups. There we go, a little more. There we go. So we've got those all set. And then in those cups of water, we'll be dumping our food coloring in. And we're leaving these completely empty in between. There goes the yellow. Just drip it all in. Be careful when you're pouring them in because it will stain your fingers. Blue. Well, there's probably about a dozen drops of food coloring in each container, and red. Pour that all in. And then if you have something you can stir it with, go ahead and make sure that they are stirred. And then, so the color is throughout nice and smooth. There we go. Great. All right. And now you're going to be folding your paper towels, like fold them into 3s and make a long piece of paper towel. 1, 2, 3, and then flatten it. And then we will be curving them like this and putting them in the cups. Whoops, excuse me, like this, and putting them in the cups. But for right now, let's fold them, make that nice and flat. 1/3, fold over the rest. And flatten. There we go. Do this to all 6. And we will be connecting our cups with these paper towels, which are absorbent. And we will see how it absorbs the liquid and how it travels. So, there we go. Just 2 more. There we are. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in an empty cup and in a color watered cup. And then from that same color blue, put it in there to the next empty cup. There we go, and then the empty to the red. And this water will be slowly absorbing, sinking up into this paper towel. There we go. There we are. Plain to the yellow, and then the yellow to the other side. There we go. They're all connected. Now, as you'll see, they're slowly absorbing up into those paper towels. And it will take a little bit of time. You will have to wait to see it has to go all the way up and then down into these containers. So these wet ones will go down into the empty ones. The blue's moving pretty fast, so is the red. So, but where this absorbs up into it, that's what we're really looking for. It's called capillary action. It takes some time on this, but for that process, you can imagine, think about how water goes up from the ground, through the roots, and up into the stem and the leaves and flowers. That's capillary action. So it's almost like it defies gravity and how it can move upward, but that's how it is absorbed up into the paper towels, would be just like into the stem and into the plants and flowers. So this will be, we have to wait quite a while for this. We'll wait a couple minutes here and watch how it's slowly absorbing. Maybe we will get to the point where it will connect with the other one. But if we look real close, you can almost see the absorption and how it's moving. And slowly absorbing past dot, dot, dot. and filling in. So that's the process that we're looking for. And this could take some time. So you can do this, prepare your cups and your paper towels and let it absorb. Come back, check it every couple of minutes, and you'll see the change, eventually how the colors will meet. That's something that's, it's really exciting to see when the red meets the yellow, see what happens. And yellow meets blue, what happens? And blue meets red. So it's really a fun experiment just to watch. It takes a little bit of time. I did one yesterday. When I came in today, it had finished. And I'm going to show you that right now, how it looks. Excuse me, I'll turn this one down really close to this project right here. And as you can see, they absorbed all the way. This is yellow with red, and it made orange. And then the red with the blue over here, it made the purple. And then the blue and yellow ended up with green. But what's fascinating is each level of water in the cups that it absorbed to, they're even. They ended up being the same height. So it's really cool. Not only is it great colors and a cool experiment to watch, but it's just fascinating how it evened itself all out too. So I hope you have fun with this. It's fun to do, and we will see you around for more experiments. Have a great day. Bye-bye.